Nation, it's your girl Kenyata here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. I wanted to pop in and let you guys know that I am going to be doing a Q&A video. If you have questions, please leave your questions in the comment section down below, and I will be answering everyone's questions in a separate video. I do apologize that I am not always able to get back to people's comments as fast as they may want me to. If you have any questions for me, leave them down below. I can't wait to hear from you guys. I'll be answering your questions in a separate video. It will be my lock Q&A video requested, okay? Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Y'all know what it is. Subscribe, turn your notifications, share this video wherever you share cool stuff. Y'all know the deal. Help your girl grow. Y'all know I rock with y'all a long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyata here.